GoveeLife sent me this meat thermometer for my review. This is a smart wireless thermometer probe. This is a 2-probe type of system, and let me show you a little bit on the closer side. This is what it comes like. Check this out. You open this up, you've got the 2 probes. This whole case right here is where you charge it. So you can obviously turn it on. You've got your, let me show you right here. You've got your USB-C that you can connect it to. So it's really, really nice. You've got a cool, which I didn't know I wanted to have. You've got a really nice screen right here that will tell you the temperature of both probes, or each probes as you go along. The probes are so easy to use, of course, and you'll see in the B-roll me using them on a filet mignon, a steak that I'm about to use on the barbecue. This can withstand the heat of a barbecue, the entire heat of the entire cooking time and duration of a steak, a roast, anything that you'd put on a barbecue, a griddle, an oven. There's zero issues there. It does also take into consideration the internal temperature of your meat, of course, and also the outside temperature. So basically the ambient temperature of maybe an oven or maybe a smoker. If you have a closed smoker, you'll be able to know exactly the ambient temperature as well. Really, really cool. Love, love, love the fact that you can use this with the app right here. And as soon as I take it out, you see that it will tell me exactly the temperature. And let me show you a little bit closer right here. We're going to see if it actually works. So you have the temperature here. I don't know if it's going to change the temperature. Yep, it does change the temperature as I put my hand over it, obviously. But the really nice thing with this and with the app is that I have an option there where I can select the recipes. I can select the meat that I'm actually using this with. So it will give me a perfect medium rare or a perfect medium well done, or whatever you want to cook, whatever temperature you're looking for. You'll be able to get it because it guarantees you that it's going to give you the proper temperature with the proper meat, right? So a filet mignon is not going to cook the same way into a medium rare as a strip loin, for example, and that's normal. But these things are really, really nice. And as you can see in the video, I've been using them. I don't have the steak at the end because I literally it was perfectly cooked, as you can imagine, and I wolfed it down in a matter of minutes. But this thing works. This thing is so easy to use. I love the fact that not only is it easy to use, easy to clean, easy to store, you're done and done. And what I also loved is that this whole back is also magnetized, and I could actually magnetize it on the side of the barbecue. I can put it on the microwave if I wanted to. I could put it on the fridge, and I have a visual representation of the temperature if I don't want to look at my phone, for example. The other cool thing too is you can put alarms or alerts. So it will tell you, hey, you're approaching that ideal temperature. Make sure you take it out of the heat and let it rest. You know that that temperature is still going to be rising, and the probe is going to continue getting you that temperature, that reading, that perfect reading every single time. GoveeLife makes incredible products. This one is no exception.